Good morning once more. So this is Warrior Plus, the plus sign plus, which is different from Warrior Forum, which is a different thing. It's a bit different in ClickBank. There is products on there, but it's just all the offers. It's a place where you can see all the offers, your profits, our business, and they've got a lot of products like business opportunities or products that could help you grow, like different services. So learn more. And this is just learning more about how they work, the tracking and things like that. So not sure what that was there. Right, so this is the home page which we're on, and then the features. Just click on everything and go to dashboard. So already logged in, a lot of notifications, not really. It's just telling me all the different products, 10 items. Not really went in. I think I bought some of these. I must have not completed it at that time. So that's all that is. So if we go, we're at home, so go to top products, and here it is. So here's like the ones with the most sales. So Trends, Hunter AI, and then you can just take a look at all these offers. You get $3 off. It's standard with Warrior Forum. To the wrong page here, and that's actually Warrior Forum. So a lot of these things it doesn't let you go back. So go back into that, and then the dashboard. So it's just any of these are interest to you, you can actually purchase them. And then it's also in categories as well: advertising, drop shipping, social media. It's all split into different places. I do affiliate marketing, email marketing, so we could click on that, and it comes up with different products. You can just really take a look at them. It's alerts of products that might interest you, the deal of the day, and that's you can just read all these, click on whatever you want to do. This is dashboard and the offers. Don't really use Warrior Plus because I have a great product. So that's basically what it is to find different opportunities or different services. Is what it is. So maybe go into one more offers. In fact, that's if I want to put in offers, which I don't have any. Go into one more category, email marketing, and then we would click on maybe this one. If it's there. Okay, and it's an online marketing success, and it's all these different products and things like that. So if you're looking for business opportunities or products to help your own business, if you're started already, it's a good place to start. It isn't really that you're promoting the offers, it's just buying the products. Some of them are good, some of them are bad, but if you want the best product you'll ever find, it's in the description. I hope you consider taking a look, and we love to see you there. Bye bye for now.